Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again with a brand new Webflow video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix CMS items not shown in Webflow in 2026. CMS items are pretty much a pretty highly recommended topic to know about because a lot of problems that Webflow has are basically located and related to CMS. So the first thing for us to check our CMS and to solve the problem, we need to check our collection list filters. So simply go to your creators collection, and basically when you try to create a collection, you will need to actually make a filter. Now the filter will be created automatically for you as if you had created your first collection, but now when you create multiple ones, you will be needing to make your own filter. So make sure to do it. Now to make your own filter, you want to have three main things that will be listed in a filter. Status, which is in case the CMS collection is published or not. The second thing is the category, since you want your CMS collections to be filtered by category, which is you can add, for example, here custom fields. And also the third thing is featured, in case it was true or false. Now, if your CMS items don't match exactly, they won't show. So this filter is very good, so you can check if the filter or the CMS collection that you created is basically published in the category that you're looking for, and basically featured is true. The second thing to do is once you created your CMS, I'm simply going to create a random one. So create collection. Here we go. So this is the filter. So once you create your own CMS, make sure that CMS itself is published. So I'm going to generate sample. And let me just create generate. And once you generate something, you will need to actually click on preview and then share it. Once you share it, you need to share it in your website and then go back to designer mode and make sure that your website is published so you can simply share the new CMS that you just been creating. The third thing is to check your collection list limits. In elementary settings, you will look for limits settings in here, and basically if it is set to 1 or 3, Webflow is working. You're just hiding the resets. But in case it was more than 1 to 3, you will need to check it out with the support team. But in general, the CMS is a very vague topic, so it's a very high likely that you will still find problems. So the best thing to do when you find problems with CMS within Webflow is to simply connect the support team and try to solve that with them. And yeah, that was it. Thank you guys for watching.